Kindergartners, happy Monday. We've got some pictures today. Johanna sent a picture of her May Day basket. Very cool. We have May Day basket. We also have from Johanna. Oh, here's another picture of her May Day basket. And then she sent some writing. She sent two different versions. Here's her holding the writing. I'm going to read you what it says. It says, last week, Pommy and Beza grow flowers in a pot at home. We use soil, seeds, sunlight, and water to grow the flowers. Very cool. I love this writing. Keep sending in the writing. I love it. We're going to put these up and leave them right here so I can get the tape out so we can get to our morning meeting. All right, kindergartners. Oh, everything's falling. Today is, let's look at our calendar. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. If we look at our calendar, May 4th is right here. It's in the column. A column goes up and down. It's the column for Monday. At the top, you'll see the M for Monday. It is the column for Monday in May. How many Mondays are in May? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 Mondays in May. And today, May 4th, is the first Monday in May. It's the very first one. All right. We have 7 days of the week. Each row, our rows go across, each row is a week. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks in May. And then 2 days here and 1 day here that don't quite fit. There are 31 days in May. April had 30, but May has 31. May is right here. It's our 5th month. An abbreviated way to write May 4th, 2020 is 5-4-20. The 5 represents, you got it, May. The 4 represents our day. It's the 4th of May. And the 20 represents the last 2 digits of 2020. Very cool. We have on our calendar a pattern. A pattern repeats. A pattern repeats. So over the weekend, Tevya and Grace helped me do these ones so we can see the pattern a little better. I see a yellow tulip flower. The flower is called a tulip flower. A green butterfly. Purple tulip. What's today going to be? I think it might be a butterfly. What do you think? Thumbs up. Yeah. Ah, it is. So right now our pattern is yellow tulip, green butterfly, purple tulip, green butterfly. Very cool. Let's go ahead and look out the window to see what the weather is like. Let's look at the weather outside. What do you see? I see blue sky. Blue sky is evidence of sunny. It's a sunny day. So looking at our May graph, we have another sunny day. On Friday, we had a sunny day. And now we're going to fill in another box for sunny. So right now, it looks like May is a sunny month. We have 2 sunny days. But yesterday, the day before, were pretty rainy, weren't they? How many of you remember Saturday was very rainy? It rained a lot. So we're going to have to see what May is going to be like, because I'm thinking that it might be rain and sun. Maybe it's going to be both. All right, we have been at home for 55 days. 55 is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 groups of 10. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5, 55. 5 groups of 10, 5 ones. On our chart, 55 is right here in the middle. We could count to it by ones. We could also count by 2s. Does it fit the pattern? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's see. 52, 54, 56. No, doesn't fit that pattern. 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. We can count by 5s. We can also count by 10s. We can count to any number by 10s as long as we start in a number with the same digit in the ones place. So if we look here, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. We have a 5 in each of those ones places. All right? All right, so what are we going to do with our body when we count by ones? Well, let's think. Oh, I know. Let's reach to the sky. You ready? Let's reach to the sky. We start on what number when we count by ones? 1. The clue is in the question. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I can't hear you. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Keep going. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All right, counting by fives. What should we do? I want to do some mashed potato. You ready for it? Let's do a mashed potato while we count by fives. Ready? We're going to start on 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Very good. Now, counting by tens, let's jump. Let's jump. Starting at 5, let's practice it first. Practice with me. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. You ready? 1 jump, 1 count, 1-to-1 correspondence. Here we go. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Very good. Very, very good. Turning around. What do we have? We have our morning message. We have 4 new sight words this week. We have the sight word than. Spell it with me. T-H-A-N. Than. Than means to compare to. Uh-oh, everything fell. That's okay. That's okay. We'll fix that later. Than means to compare 2 things. So you can say, she is older than me. She is taller than me, right? He is younger than me. He is shorter than me. Than. It's to compare 2 things, okay? It is sunnier today than it was yesterday. Than. To compare 2 things. First. We know first. I'm first. F-I-R-S-T, first. It's got that I-R. I love it. Water. Drinking water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. It's got our E-R. And bin. It's got a wonky E in it. B-E-E-N. Bin. I have been to Disneyland. Have you? Oh, it has been a very rainy spring. Been. Oh, where have you been? I missed you. Been. Letter pairs are 2 letters that come together and make a new sound. I've rearranged our board a little bit so we can see it better. There's T-H, my favorite. S-H is my silent. C-H. Choo-choo. And T-C-H also makes the same sound. It's a word chunk. T-C-H makes the same sound as C-H. W-H just like a W. Wah. C-K is a K and a K and a K. O-R, is it a sight word or a letter pair? Or, like our friend Morgan, is Morgan a sight word or a letter pair? He's a letter pair. A-R is my pirate. R. The pirates of room 8 are Sema and Arham. R. E-E and E-A are my E word letter pairs. E-E, I'm free to see the trees with Shawnee. And E-A, I eat and read, but not normally at the same time. E. O-U, O-W, ow. O-U, ow. And O-W, owl eyes. Ow. Oh, we have a new one. U-E fits in with our E-W-O-O. Ew. Broccoli stew. Ew. For the bunny, not for you. O-O, Rudy Toot Toot. Ooh. And U-E is blue glue. Blue glue. Oh. It is ooh. Blue glue is ooh. Ooh. O-I and O-Y are oi. Oi! You boy! Get me that toy. A-Y and A-I are my A's. A-Y, play. I like to play every day in May. And say A. A-I, rain. A. I have my E-R-I-R-U-R. Let me fix that a little bit so you can see it better. E-R, mother, brother, sister, father, Ebenezer, Alexander, Oliver, I-R like a bird, and you-R like a turtle, Word chunks, I-N-G, ing, I like to swing. I like to swing in the spring with my ring and sing, ing. I-G-H has my wacky G-H, just shows up in words and does wacky things. And it's making this I-G-H, make an I sound. S at the end of the word can mean more than one. Y at the end of the word can have an I sound like fly, 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 or E like a baby. ED means it happened in the past. It can have a D sound. Ooh, things are getting erased on my board. I need to be a little more careful. It can have a D sound like it happened. Okay. It can have a T sound like I walked to the store. Or it can have an ed sound like we painted the house. Ed. Wonky E just shows up and does nothing. But a silent E makes the middle vowel say its name. Say my name, and the E is silent. So let's do the names of the alphabet, the vowels. Let's do them together. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels of the alphabet. All right, we have some writing that our friend Ella sent. No, I'm sorry. This is from Pause. She sent this in last week, and I wanted to have our writing on our message this week to be writing you guys sent in about animals so we can learn more and more about animals. So keep sending in that writing about different animals. Remember, when we're writing about animals, we include where they live, what they look like, what they eat, and something they do. 4 things. So let's check. Good readers break words into parts. They read the parts to read the word. Okay? So this is, let's see. Let's check the long words. Leopard. Leopards. Leopards. Going down here, we have strong. Let's say it fast. Strong. And then here we have this word. I'm going to break it into 3 parts. We have an O-U, ow, mount. There's an A-I. Is it an A sound? Mountains. Say it really fast. Mountains. And here is a word, Asia. This is actually Asia. Okay. All right. The rest I think we can sound out, but we broke up those words into parts to make it a little easier. Let's go ahead and look. Get your mouth ready. When we're sounding things out, there's a lot of things to sound out in this message. When we sound things out, always get your mouth ready for that first sound. It'll help you. We have an S. Snow. Leopards. Snow leopards. Have. Strong. Mouth ready for the H. Hind legs. They live in the mountains of Asia. They, E-A, here's my E-A, eat meat. They, get your mouth ready for that H. Hunt. Oh, this is a sight word, but we can also sound it out. It's got that O-W out. Down. Get your mouth ready. Pray. Like E-Y and they. Pray. They hunt down prey. Prey is what they eat. Let's do it again. I think she has all 4 things. I think she has where they live. They live in the mountains of Asia. What they eat meat. What they look like, she says they have strong hind legs. And what they do, they hunt down their prey. That's all 4. Nice. Let's do it one more time, this time a little smoother. Pointers up. Snow leopards have strong hind legs. They live in the mountains of Asia. They eat meat. They hunt down prey. So one last time, this time as smooth as possible. Snow leopards have strong hind legs. They live in the mountains of Asia. They eat meat. They hunt down prey. All right, tell me what you see. Let's see if it's on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth line. Find something that you know. Find something you know. We're going to start at the top. I see the word snow. Snow. What I noticed about this message is there's less sight words and there's more words we have to sound out, which is good because we want to practice that skill. Sounding out words is not hard when you look for the parts you know. Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. It's got my O-W, but it's an O sound, not the ow. It's not snow. Leopards. L-E-O-P-A-R-D-S. Leopards. It has our A-R. It's a wonky one. You say leopards, not leopards. And it's more than one leopard. More than one. Second line. I see a sight word. I see our sight word. Have. Have. Let's spell it. H-A-V-E. Have. It fits our words in English cannot end in a V. So it's a wonky E at the end. Not have. Have. Strong. Strong. Let's spell it. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Hind. H-I-N-D. Hind. It means back. Your hind legs or your back legs. Hind. It rhymes with kind and find. Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. How many legs? More than one. Third line. Sight word they. Oh, I have a couple of theys in this. There's another they here on the fourth line and a they on the fifth line. We have three theys in this message. Let's spell them. T-H-E-Y. 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 They. And they has our letter pair T-H. T-H. They. We have the word live. L-I-V-E. Live. Which has a wonky E at the end because it's a V word. And that a V word in English cannot have a V at the end. Sight word in. I-N in. Sight word the. Sight word the. T-H-E, the. And let's get that letter pair. Mountains. Mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Oh, mountains. Mountains has my O-U. Mountains. Ow. And an A-I that makes an N sound. Mountains. And an S at the end for more than one. They live in more than one mountain. They're spread out. Of. Sight word of. Let's spell it. O-F. Asia. A-S-I-A. Asia. Go to the fifth line. We have eat. E-A-T. Eat. With our letter pair E-A. Meat. Eat and meat are rhyming words. M-E-A-T. Meat. Has my E-A. And then we have hunt. Hunt. H-U-N-T. Hunt. Last line. Sixth line. Sight word down. Down. Spell it with me. D-O-W-N. Down. Has our letter pair O-W. Owl eyes. Owl. Pray. P-R-E-Y. Pray. There's two kinds of pray. One is to pray when you pray to God, and this one is pray like something that animals hunt to eat. Okay? So there's two kinds of pray, and this is how you spell the one that you would hunt. Very nice. This week, kindergartners, for our letter of the week, we do not have a letter of the week. We have E-word families. We have E-word families. So I'm going to have you come over here. It's a little bright, but I'm going to have you come over here. We're going to make a chart with some words for our E-word families. Oh, let me get my black pen. E-word families. So E-word families are words, three-letter words, sometimes they're four letters, three-letter or four-letter words that have that E in the middle, that eh, my smiling vowel. E-word families. So this week I want you to be thinking about words we can put on this chart to include. The first one I'm going to put is words that end in ed. Okay. And for example, the word I was thinking about this. Bed. Bed. Miss Root wishes she was still in bed. She's a little tired. We also have words that end in N. N. For example, the word, it's a number word actually, the word 10. 10. Or the word Ben. Ben is somebody's name. Ben. 10 and Ben are N words. We also have words that end in egg. Egg. For example, in our message, we had the word leg. Leg. And finally, what am I forgetting? Do you know what I'm forgetting? Finally, we have a bunch that have different, like, oh, here's one. And then we're going to have another column that's just kind of random ones because we don't have a lot in those different categories, like eb words and L words. So this one is et. Oh, I need to get a better pen. Et. For example, the word bet, set, or pet. Okay? And then this one I'm going to put some random ones. For example, the word web, the word web. Okay? The word well. Okay. And other words that we don't have a lot to fill in, but enough that we can put a column here. Okay. These are our E-word families. Let's read them together. Bed, ed, bed. N is 10 and Ben. Egg, like leg. Oh, we also have a peg. Right? Et, bet, set, pet. And then we have these ones that we don't have, there's not a lot of eb words, but there's web and L words like well. Okay? All right. And I just thought of another ed word. This is another name. Ted. Ted and bed. All right? So today, all week, I want you to be looking for and thinking of words that have those E-word families in them. Eds and Ns and egg, et. Any word that you can think of that has that S on in the middle, so we can add it to our chart. All right, the last thing we need to do, kindergartners, before I let you go and have your day, I know you have meetings. Several of you have meetings with me and work to do. So, and Miss Mulder's class has lots of stuff going on with Miss Mulder. So before we do that, we got to do some chicken soup with rice. Okay? It's our new one. We got our bird, our robin bird, Let's read it. In May, I truly think it best to be a robin, lightly dressed. Dressed. Look at that. Happened in the past. Dressed. Concocting. Oh, I have to break that into parts. Concocting soup inside my nest. Remember, concocting means to make. Mix it once, mix it twice, mix that chicken soup with rice. Best. Look, best is a word I'm going to add. I'm going to add that on my chart. It has the F. All right, kindergartners, I want you to have a wonderful day. Enjoy the sun. It was kind of cold yesterday, but I think it's going to warm up this week. Put our best here. Do your best today to listen to Mom and Dad. Be helpful. Be a problem solver. Be the best you can be. Happy May 4th. See you tomorrow.